Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. Now, this video we're going to talk about what's called battery grip. Okay, and this is a battery grip. This is the piece that goes underneath this black piece. Okay, that goes underneath the DSLR camera. This is not a genuine Nikon or Canon battery grip, and it's called the grip, as you can see, because it can help you hold the camera like this. Okay, so this is the camera, you can hold it like this. This is my camera, okay, and you can hold it like this. It has some piece which you can connect it, attach it, whatever. Say it's here, it's inside the box. We're gonna open the box and show you it. I'm gonna attach it to the camera, okay, and turn the camera on. Okay, just want to insert the battery. Okay, now inside the camera, so also to tell you that why it's a battery grip. So you have the battery inside here. Okay, you can see it's turned on. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it off. So it's turn on, turn off. Okay, so this is the camera that we're using, the D800. Okay, for Nikon D800. And what you're gonna do is attach that grip, okay, or connect it, whatever. So here, and there's also something I wish that you watch it. It's at the end of the video, okay, but keep watching normally because it's all together, okay, like everything is connected to each other, okay. And this is just a card, okay, and the manual, okay. This replacement is also this replacement part, or this accessory is called also MB-D12, okay, if you want to find it, okay. But this one is mainly for a Nikon like D800, D810, D810A, and D800E, okay, as you can see. Cool. Now, this is just a replacement, it's not the original one. It's cheap, it works, okay. Now, I'm gonna put it back, okay. Now, what's inside the bags is, this is a drawer, okay, for my battery over here, for the Nikon battery, this type, okay. This is what I always have a problem with. Okay, keeps up some little bit of your nail. Don't cut it short. It can help sometimes. Okay. Don't cut it too short. And this is the model of the battery. Okay, EL15B, 7 volts. Okay, 2 amperes, almost 2 amperes. This is 1900 milliampere hour. Remember, this is an ampere hour, not just an ampere. Okay, so this is up to 2 ampere hour. Okay. Now I measured this with my multimeter, voltage meter. Okay, and it does not actually show 7 voltage. Okay, it is 7.995. okay, and the charger is written on it. Okay, as long as we're talking about batteries, this is the original charger of the camera. Okay, and by the way, my camera is old and it's used, but works. I bought a used one because I would just want to learn and do astrophotography with the cheapest way possible, with the best with the maximum of features, okay, possible also. So you can see here, this is the model. There's some way set here. Okay, it's 8.4 voltage, okay, on 2 amps. Yeah, no, 1.2 ampere. Okay, so slow a little bit in charging. But we can use this voltage anyway. Okay, and there are adapters we're gonna show you at the end of the video. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. But this adapter, okay, or this drawer, okay, you can hold it like hold the battery inside. Like look, there's the copper tips here in the terminals. Okay, and there's a button here. Okay, you just push it and okay, it's a battery. Okay, I'm gonna show you the batteries that I'm gonna talk about too. Okay, so yeah, so this is the battery drawer. Okay, this is the grip. I'll show you what's the grip, what the grip contains. Okay, so here I have a plug. Okay, that will go inside the. This is a plug. See this one? It's a plug that will go inside the camera from the bottom of the camera. Here's the screw, the 6mm screw, and this here, I have to show you it from near point. So if you look here, this is like a screwdriver. Okay. Okay. And we have here this little joystick, if you want to say, for your screen. This here is not an on-off button. Okay, it's not an on-off switch. Okay, this is just to lock the shutter release. Okay, and here we have a dial for the mode, another one for the mode, and we have also this for autofocus, on-off. Okay. Yeah, and this is the 6mm hole. Okay, and for your camera, because when you install the grip, you need, of course, to put your like your tripod from bottom. Okay, from below, and this drawer will go. This drawer will go inside here. So this is, we have like a turnkey. Okay, and I pull it out. This is another drawer that can let you have or install, I mean, like 4 AA batteries. Let me show you what's the difference between AA and AAA batteries. Okay, so this is a AAA battery, the one in yellow. See, it's the thin one, the thinnest one of batteries, the one that you usually see in remote controls usually. Okay, maybe air condition remote controls. And this is the AA. See, the AA is thicker. Okay, has a wider diameter. Okay, this is the yellow one is 3A. Okay, and this one is AA. Okay, so you can see it's AA, and here 3A. Okay, this is the one I have now. Okay, it's a AA, AAA, sorry, 3As. Anyway, so we can use the one like this, the thick one. Okay, and install 4 of it here. Okay, like this. Okay, of course. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now this way, if you want to run it this way, this means you are running the camera on 6 volts. Okay, instead of 7 volts. Okay. Now I'm gonna install this. Okay. Now here I'm going to remove the rubber lid. There's a rubber lid here. See it? This one. You can see it here. So it's better that you have, as I said, a little bit of nails. It helps. So to remove the lid. This is the lid. Okay, that's why I tell you to leave some nails in your finger. Okay. and and we install it this way, and we turn the dial, okay, for the screw. So turn the dial, don't do anything else, it will go by itself. Okay. Okay, cool. You should see in the back that there's the LED here. I will not show you that, but the LED here must blink. Okay, this means that the battery is working, and now see, you can see that the battery is giving some power. Okay, but you have to turn it on from here. Okay, let me see the info. See, and that's the battery. Okay, and of course we can use the dial. Let's see. There's some use for it. Okay, let's see. No, now I know. So because this is now put on L, not like the dots when they are not matching. This means the buttons of the grip are off. So if we want to make them on, because this is not like an on-off switch for the camera. It's an on-off switch for the buttons of the grip. Okay, so this way, and let's see. No. Okay, so you can now see this here. Let's see. Go back. Okay, it's not gonna take so much time. So you can see that I'm using this. Okay, instead of using the one on the top. Okay, so the dial on the top. Yeah, I'm gonna use this. Okay, so yeah, and the other dials. Okay, see, whatever, but there are dials there. Okay, so I have to show you something. Okay, I'm using the R1. Let's use this one. Okay, come on. Okay, so so if I just turn off or turn on the locking, if I want to say, or turn off the grip, so you see the numbers don't work. Okay, but if I just turn on the grip, things go working. So it's just a matter of locking your settings, and here now we can just remove this. This is just a barrel lens. I'm installing it just as a cover. Okay, I have its own original cover, but you know, I usually use it for telescopes, not for true like everyday photography. This is just for only astrophotography. So now it's locked. So if I click here, it doesn't take a picture, but I just click like this, it just takes a picture. So now here I have a picture like here. Okay, see, I just put anything else, just my finger for example. See, it goes to green, to like reddish or pinkish. Okay, it should be something like that. yeah, you can see the difference now in the color. There's a little bit of green, okay, light green, very light green, the corner. Review the video, you'll see. I mean, see, like rewind the video a little bit. So this is it. This is it. Now regarding the adapter, okay, I bought from AliExpress an adapter. This is 9-volt adapter. I know it could harm this one. This is a 9-volt adapter. Okay, this is it. I know it can harm the camera. Okay, this does not mean it does not work. It works because this is just like a mild 1 volt yeah, 1 volt additional. And I asked so many engineers. There's a conflict of opinion. Okay, so some says it's okay, some says it's not okay, but generally it's not okay in the sense that it's better to have the proper voltage. Okay, so I'm gonna just try it for a little while. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just use this. Okay, and I'm not gonna turn it on, but this is just like a dummy battery. It's like a plug, okay, for the battery, like a dummy battery. But the good thing about it is that let's turn off the camera. Here, when I want to install it, remember there was the lid, okay, and if I just put this here, okay, this means that the lid will stay open, and by mistake maybe I can break it. Okay, there's a possibility of breaking it, so the grip can help in that, and it will like redirect the cabling or the wiring, okay, from here towards this corner, like here. So the cable will go outside like this. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Anyway, it will go outside, but just let me pull out the battery. Okay, and we wire it. Okay, so here I'll have wire the dummy battery. So see, I remove this. There's this little hole here. See this one? This little hole. Okay, this is just to wire it properly. Okay, so this way it will come like this. Okay, now what we can do is I will have to remove the tying wire. Okay, so, and see, I can just make it be held like this. Okay, and I can just simply get the grip like this. Okay, so this way you can have, this is the adapter and everything. Okay, here I should have the like the usual power AC power plug, but anyway, here it is. Okay, as I said, I don't want to turn it on, but still this works. I have tested it. Okay, it works. Okay, but I'm saying it's reliable. Okay, it's better that you get an adapter or that gives you 7 volts. Okay, or 7 or 8 volts. However, okay. So yeah, so this way you can install the the camera on a tripod and let this, as I say, make the camera happy all the time with the power. Okay, if you want to say, yeah. So this will be an uninterruptible power for a very long time. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like our channel. Okay, bye.